Now what I'm going to do here is fit a F plug to a coax cable. Now the first thing to do is to take off the outer insulation using your thumb and finger. I'm just carefully tearing it around. It doesn't matter too much, but if I just don't take too much off, otherwise you'll have problems with the inner core later on. And if you can subscribe, that'd be great. So I'm measuring again just to make sure I don't cut too much of the outer insulation off. Now I'm pushing back the braid, and when I've done that, I'm now going to again measure off and work out how much of the inner insulation I need to take off. So when I measured it off, I'm now going to use my thumb, and then when I've marked it, if you constantly twist it around, it might take a few minutes for you to do that. I'm speeding it up just to make it easier for you to watch. And screwing the F plug on, and that's it. So thank you for watching. If you could, please share, like and subscribe.